So here's an example of our actual facility in Twinmaker. And there's kind of 4 key pillars, if you will, that attach here. And one caveat here too, you'll see when we jump in, there's a kind of like a live view, or I shouldn't say live because it's not live, but it's a high definition perspective. And then this is actually the CAD model or a GLB model, if you will. And so the thing that enables this is, from an asset information perspective, we use OSI Pi. OSI Pi allows us to aggregate data from a lot of IoT sensors into a place where we can put it on dashboards and actually deliver it to people. And so we're pulling from OSI Pi here. You can see on the right-hand side there's live data coming in from the field. And then we're using Snowflake as well as essentially a data warehouse to make it easy for transmission and that kind of thing. And then you have Twinmaker who comes in and they allow us to do alerts. So we can use DCS alerts, or you can use control room. You can customize your own and you can build rules around this. So in this situation where it turned red, it was because it was out of spec for a rule that I set for that piece of equipment in my dashboard. And then the final piece of this is Matterport. One of the biggest challenges in the digital twin space is being able to create 3D models that are actually portable and accessible for people. So if you think about point cloud, that was one of the first places we started. Is we generated all these point clouds, and it's really cool because you got like 1 trillion dots, right? And it's real exciting. The problem with that is it might be 1 terabyte in size, and nobody's going to download that on their iPhone and use it in the field. Right? And so we needed a lightweight solution that allowed us to give people the context that they need, but also not destroy the bandwidth of the site because we're downloading models all the time. And so this is where Matterport comes in, and they've been also a great partner for us, and we're really excited about the collaboration that's happening here. So for you guys that may not know, this is a video of Matterport and all the different kind of modalities you have. And so this is the kind of pretty perspective. As you can see, this is our actual facility. It's in high resolution. And what we've done and what we've used Matterport for to this point is we can label things. So when you're teaching people about a piece of equipment, you can actually show them what you're looking for. You can create links and do that kind of stuff. The thing that Twinmaker kind of enables over the top of this is that you also have a data layer, right? So you have the context as far as descriptors, you can add links, and then now I can pull in IoT data, SAP information, all these things. So this is kind of a rough version, and I'm calling it out because I know it's rough. But the end product will actually be the view that you saw of Matterport that's high definition, completely integrated over the top. So we're super excited about that, because what that means is that everybody that's out on the shop floor will have access to high quality models. And so, I mean, you can count or you can read tags and stuff on the labels, which is really, like I said, high fidelity. And it actually will load at a reasonable pace. It's not super burdensome. And so the integration between Twinmaker and Matterport is huge for us because it allows for that kind of synergy between the two platforms.